All right, good morning, second grade students. Today for social studies, we are going to be looking at U.S. symbols, and specifically we are going to be looking at the Statue of Liberty. So in this book, we are going to learn about the history of the Statue of Liberty and what it represents. So Chapter 1, America's Lady. The stately statue of a woman rises high above an island near New York. She is the Statue of Liberty. People come from all over the world to see her. At first, Lady Liberty honored the friendship between America and France. Now she stands for peace and liberty for all. And a cool fact about the Statue of Liberty is that the statue's full name is Liberty Enlightening the World. Chapter 2, The History of Liberty. Lady Liberty now stands on Liberty Island, but she was first built in France. It took 9 years to build her out of copper. So Lady Liberty was brown at first, but the copper turned green over time. And so that's why we see the Statue of Liberty today as being a green statue. And then over here it says Frederick Bartholdi was the sculptor. She was brought to America on a ship. She came in many pieces. It took 4 months to put her together again. She was finished in 1886. So on our map, we see France, and she was brought all the way across the Atlantic Ocean over to New York, where she currently sits. Chapter 3, Liberty Stands Tall. From ground to tip, Lady Liberty is as tall as a building with 22 floors. She wears a crown with 7 points. The points stand for the 7 seas and the 7 continents. People can climb 354 steps to her crown. They can stand inside her crown and look out many windows. Lady Liberty holds a torch and a tablet. The torch shines light on the path to liberty. The tablet has the date America became free written on it. Chapter 4, Liberty for All. Emma Lazarus wrote a poem about the statue. The poem welcomes people who move to America from other countries. People come for a new start and a better life. For many people, the Statue of Liberty is a sign of hope. The statue says they can be free in America. It says everyone is welcome here. All right, and that ends our book today on the Statue of Liberty for social studies.